Hello.
Hello.
Marhaba. Oh. Hey guys, so today we are at Mardin Un. Actually, this is the big company but they make flour, right? Hello, marhaba. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Good. Shukuzar.
My name is Khalid.
So now we are going to become like literally white because it's a floor. How many floors? How many floors? Oh, the top we go. Wow. Slippery. We are actually on the 6th floor, the top floor. It starts from here, but we go down and tell you the process. He's going to tell me the process. Yes, Gokhan, you are the hero now. Yeah. What is that? Is it like a shaking machine?
Makina onu elekliyor.
So this is called as sieve. Means this actually what happened? It's like a filter. You know, like it takes the stuff, the greens out or something like that, right? Yeah, it's like a filter. You know, like so literally actually they put the wheat somewhere up there, and this is a shaker. It's like a filter. You know, you guys can see here. It just fills up. Wow, it's so fast. So guys, what you see, this machine is actually a grinder. So the wheat actually comes from the top and it goes into this big machine where it actually grinds. You can see the parts of the wheat is already there. So it shakes, it grinds, and it's like a high speed. So I don't want to go, you know, too close to this. Wow, crazy. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this. Awesome. So this is the process. Like after that it goes automatically goes down. So that's why this place has this floors, you know, like, so it's easy from 6th floor, 5th floor, 5th floor, and at the end it goes to the truck. So let's go, keep on going down. So we are 1 floor down now. Floor number 4. Yeah, so this is the 4th floor, and this is the way that the wheat comes down after, you know, it grinds, and it goes. You can see they have like actually 2 filtration. Of course, this one is working. I don't know. Maybe this is shut. Only that one is working. Cool. Very interesting. Oh, so this one comes from there. Okay. Oh, this is like after it's filtered. Ah, okay. This is the main wheat, and okay. So this is the actually main white flour, and the waste is filtered here, and they pack it and they keep it like this. Cool. 3rd floor now. 3rd floor. Whoa! Don't fall. Okay, Gokhan, what's next?
Burası.
What happens here?
Yes. Borulardan geliyor aşağı. Paketlemeye iniyor.
Okay. Oh, what I see. Okay, let me show you guys. This is the flour. So literally this is actually a passage. So you have this small tunnels like a small pipe, and that joins into this big one. Okay, and the big one has this small I think control or something, so that they can actually pack it in a control mode actually. So you guys can even see this. It has this, you know, and the guys out down there, they are already packing it. Cool. And this one, Gokan? This one? What machine? Razmok?
Yeah.
Means packing like this?
Yeah.
Oh, this is some sort of a packing machine actually. Once this is packed, they pack it here. Let's go! He open? Open? No. This is the final process actually. The whole automatic system works from here. You know how much quantity they want and everything. Cool. This is the way they actually put the bags on different, what do you call, containers. And they just rotate. And once it's keep on circulating and it fills with the wheat and it stitches and it directly goes into the truck. So guys, this is the process actually. What happens when this flour comes down, he makes the package, he fits in each portion, and you guys can see slowly it starts filling it up. And once it comes through here, and this guy stitches the stuff. Directly, here we go. Whoa, it goes directly into the truck. And after that, the wheat flour comes like this, and it's directly uploaded, you know, like into the truck. So this is a very interesting process. So the labor work is actually pretty less. So you guys can see it's already loaded. The truck is almost loaded. Ooh. So literally the floor actually passes through this, and this is directly connected to the truck. So just now they finished the thing, and you guys can see it's full of wheat and it's going to the bakeries. Cool. Bread. Çok güzel. Çok güzel. Okay. So it's time to close the door. Woo. Brent. Wolf baby.
Yes.
It looks like a dog. No, it's a dog. It's a dog. No wolf. Nah.
Germany wolf. Yes, wolf.
Çok güzel ustad. This is the fun of coming and eating in the raw place where they actually bake this. It's so cheap here actually. So you should always search for this type of place, not the supermarket. And here it's always fresh. And you know, sometimes they will even give you as per your needs. Right? Yes. Çok güzel. But this one is awesome. Whoa. This one is cheese, it's paneer, what they call is paneer, but it's actually cheese. That's really good. I just had one. It does not cost much, just 20 rupees, like 2 lira. So good. Çok güzel.
Ali, bakalım da sana yalayalım. Şarkısı.
Mardia, woo. Okay, see you. Bye bye.
Çek abi çek, tezgahı aç.
Check. Chef Meze.
Şef meze.
Chef Meze. You Chef Meze.
Şef meze.
Chef Meze.
Onur.
Onur. Oh.
Onur şef.
İzmir.
İzmir lokma.
İzmir lokma.
Mardin çiğ köfte.
Mardin çiğ köfte.
Ha,
Çok güzel.
çok güzel.
Oh, that's you. What happened? Bullet.
Take a man.
Can you show me? Oh, wheelchair. Oh. Fica mais